Makhosi. Ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya. You valuable viewers of Kemi TV, you beautiful Kemites. Umkhulu Seyida lo. Igedla lamashikishikiri inyanga yamakhosi umprofeti owangenwa ingilosi engaphezu kwamazulu ayisikhombisa ingilosi zasesibhakabhakeni. Bakwethu, I welcome you guys yet again to another episode of Kemi TV. Ngisanthanda ngothando lukamveli ncangi yingakho ngingayekanga. I know guys, I disappeared for 6 months. Bengiyolanda amandla, bengiyokhokha amandla, bengiyophakamisa amandla. I had to leave this work so that I could go through certain things and certain processes within Emkhathini and physically in order to come back stronger, in order to come back with more knowledge, ukuze ngibhule kangcono, ukuze ngilaphe kangcono. Edlozini uhambo alupheli. You must travel, you must go in order for you to learn different things, because if you are consistently embroiled in helping people, angeke ukhule and angeke ukhone ukusiza abantu kangcono. Bakwethu, ngibuyile. I have a few updates, but I'm going to be officially doing an update video. I hope the people that are relevant, that are need to hear the updates, do see the update video. Kodwa namhlanje nibonile i-thumbnail, nisibonile isithombe laphaya. Abanye benu bashaqile uma babona lokhu abakubonayo. Namhlanje bakwethu sobe sikhuluma ngenzuza nenkosazana. Ngake ngayithinta indaba yenzuza nenkosazana ngokujulile, nganembulela yona, nganikeza futhi izimpawu zokuthi ubone ukuthi unayo inzuza noma unayo inkosazane, noma sabuye sakhuluma futhi ngenkanyamba. Kodwa namhlanje bakwethu ngifuna ukunembulela okunye, ngoba as somebody who has experience with these spirits, I know how hard it is ukuthi uyilungise le mimoya noma uxhumane nayo, noma wazi ukuthi kudingeka ukuthi wenze njani, njengoba bathi unalento and kunje nanje nanje. And ngiyanicela bakwethu, do not listen to people abazontshela ukuthi ayikho into ebizwa ngokuthi inzuza, ayikho into ebizwa ngokuthi inkosazana, and then bakunike incazelo ebhekele. Do your own research, just like you're watching here on YouTube and you've gone to inyanga ehlukahlukile zakwembulela, izangoma zakubhula, zakubonisa ukuthi no, nayi lento le, nawe futhi wayiphupha. Manje uya kumuntu ozokutshela ukuthi ayikho lento le, ngoba yena akanayo. Singazi ukuthi ukhulumani ngoba akanayo vele. So unga-interview abantu abanayo ukuthi bakucacisele bona abayilungise yabo, kodwa uma ungenayo ungayikhulumi inyanga yami into ongayazi. Mina ngihlali lana ungizwe ngikhuluma ngokuthi ngobungoma kumele wenze lokhu nalokhu nalokhu, ngoba angisiyisangoma. I can tell you from interviewing them ukuthi ngikhuluma nazo izangoma, my fellow contemporaries, ngingakutshela lapho ukuthi bathi bona, mina ngafunda from bona ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi from different sources, kodwa ngeke ngikutshele ukuthi ebungomeni kumele ukuthi wenze kanje. Cha, angingene ndawo mina lapho. So today we will be speaking about inzuza nenkosazana and the things which you need to do uma unazo ukuthi uzilungise. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuthi singene lapho bakwethu, I announced it, I think, on a video a few days ago. Ngasho ukuthi I have come back with a greater visual prowess, a greater ability to see, and I want to test it. But in order to test it, I am offering free consultations. There is currently a limited offer for free consultations. People have already begun piling up. Abantu abaningi, abanye benu have responded to you. To those of you that I haven't responded to, I will be getting back to you. I can only respond to so many people and book in so many people during the day. If I haven't responded to you, please be patient. Whether you are selected or you're not selected, ngizorespond angwazise ukuthi cha mkhulu, when are you gonna have to do a paid consultation, ngoba ufike lana ufuna ukubhula ukuthi ingabe ingadi yakho izokhula nale oyicalile. Mkhulu, ngiyakudlala ngawo. So we will respond to you, but the offer for free consultation is open for a limited time, 3 to 5 days, guys. Book your consultation, send us a message, go into the comment section in any video and reply free reading, and I will get back to you. Or send me a WhatsApp on 061 178 1304. Usho ukuthi mkhulu, I heard you're offering a free consultation. Ngicela ukuthi ungisize, and then I will respond to you. This is a limited offer, and I am not going to be doing it forever because angeke ngikhone nami kumele ukuthi ngiphile ngidle nami. So I'm doing this because I offer freebies and I like to assist and help people. Secondly, Ischunya mentorship is going to be going up online, guys. I'm very excited. It's going to be online on Udemy. It's going to be on Coursera in the next week to 2 weeks. In the next 7 to 10 days, it's going to be online. It's going to feature videos that guide you specifically on ukulungisa amabhidane, ingubo zakho, iphika, processes that you need to follow uma umuntu onesithunywa. I guide you in herbs that you need, but as well, when you take that course, when you buy that course, you can also liaison with me. The reason we put the course online is because I'm no longer taking any mentees. I will not have time to mentor anymore. I will have time to guide people that take the mentorship course online, but I won't have time to have one-on-ones each and every week, face-to-face with everyone anymore. Sekukuningi okuseplatini lami. I can barely finish half the things I have to do during the day. Kumele ngisebenze into the AM. So guys, ngiyanicela to my previous mentees, please, if there is any outstanding classes or you even finished the mentorship course, to those of you that even finished, the course is free to you guys. As long as you've been mentored, uyazagimi, usho ukuthi mkhulu, I'm interested, please give me access to the course. I will then give you your code, ukuthi ulog in, and you'll be able to go into Udemy and you'll be able to take the course for absolutely free. That's only to my mentees. Previously graduated, current mentees only. To everybody else, when I launch it, I am going to let everyone know, Wuti, this is going to be the price, but do know, Wuti, the course itself, the mentorship is going to be much cheaper than it was when I was mentoring one-on-one. This is due to Wuti, you no longer have consistent direct contact every week with me. So that's an update on the mentorship course, okay? Guys, my business WhatsApp crashed 4 months ago, okay? I have lost my business numbers. Wonke ama message benginawo anyamalele. If you sent any messages from late December up until January, up until now, know ukuthi lawo message angiwatholanga, angiwafundanga. I have not received your messages. So if you sent me any message, forward it again or come back to me so that sizoqhubeka la esishiye khona indaba sizame ukulungisa ukuthi ubani kuphi, reach out to me and I will reply so that we sort out business. Makhosi. Now, without ukugeqa amagula bakwethu, inzuza, nkosi yami kunzima. Kunzima uma you don't have a basic gift edinga nje ukuthi ufunde imithi la noma edinga ukuthi uhambe uyothwasa la. If unesidalwa phecelezi, if you have a deity, if I'm gonna call it that, but I don't like to call it a deity. Let me rather say if you have Makosi, if you have a water spirit, but a spirit that was never a human, but we'll call them deities because they godlike. Kunzima mlo. Inzuza primarily comes in two types. Loga angeke utshelwe kona kodwa iqiniso. Ngiyazi ngakutshela mina ukuthi it comes in two types. Kuyenzeka namkhulu ukuthi ube nazo zoyi-two, lokho angeke ngikukhulume. Lokho angifuni ukuthi ngitshele abantu ngoba abantu bazofika bona bathi nginenzuzo eziyi-7 enye i-green. Kuyenzeka mkhulu ukuthi ngibe nazo zoyi-two, emhlophe nemnyama, angazi. Wena if unenzuza uza kimi and I diagnose you as umuntu naye onayo. Kodwa it primarily comes in two types. Inzuza emnyama nenzuza enjani emhlophe. Now, usually the difference between these two, because it's a very small difference, kodwa the difference is there. Inzuza emnyama usually ingena umuntu onesipho, umuntu oyigedla, and usually angeke inzuza ifike ihamba yodwa, izofika ihamba nesithunywa sakho, nesithunywa sakini. Akekho umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi unenzuza anganawo amandla woprofeti. Angeke inzuza ifike without ukulekelelwa yingilosi ehamba nawe. That's what allows you ukuthi uxhumane nalesidalwa and be able to control this power ekunika yona. Directly one-on-one, it would overwhelm you. Hence why there are processes that must be followed ukuthi iphakame inzuza, ukuthi amandla wayo asebenze. Inzuza emnyama ingena umuntu onesipho, predominantly amagedla. Why? Because inzuza specifically ayisebenzi ukulapha. For some people it might help here and there makalapha makasebenza emanzini, but predominantly isebenza ukuhlambulula nokuphakamisa inhlanhla zabantu. If umelaphi uma usebenza abantu emanzini uthi uzobageza, predominantly uma ugeza umuntu you are washing impilo yabo ukuze kube njani, ukuze kube nenqubekelo phambili. Angeke usebenzise inzuza nje kuphela ukuthi uzolahla i-spiritual wife. Usuke ususa umkhokha noma into ebekwe phezu kwempilo yomuntu noma into eyenzeka ukuthi ivale impilo yomuntu ukuze abe nenqubekelo phambili. Hence we say isebenza ngokuphakamisa inhlanhla, inzuzo emnyama, futhi kakhulukazi uma uyinyanga eyanikwa isipho esiqotho esokuthwalisa kanye nesokuphakamisa, uyongenwa inzuzo emnyama. You could also do it without inzuzo emnyama. You could. Kodwa sengisho ukuthi uma unayo inzuzo emnyama, it's likelihood uzoba namandla wokuphakamisa inhlanhla zabantu uma uyinyanga kanye uzoba namandla wokuthwalisa. It could get to leso sigaba kuyoya nengilosi yakho nabantu bakini. Kodwa izithwalo oyosebenza ngazo wena usuzoswa ngaso lesidalwa ukuthi cha, wena uthwalisa abantu ngento enje emanzini, kodwa angifune gazi, angifune kufa abantu, kodwa kuzoba nemigomo uma wenza lento. So that is inzuzo emnyama. Kanye mayifika kuwe, if uzoba umuntu ophakamisa abantu, you no longer work normal clients. Usebenza ama-client asezingeni elikhulu futhi abantu abakhipha iy'nkomo ezinkulu. So wena kwawena kufana nokuthi yona lento ibingathi isithwalo kuwe, hhayi ukuthi uthwele, kodwa the type of inhlanhla nemali eyilethayo kuwe uma usebenza abantu inkulu. So kufana nokuthi uthwele nawe, kodwa kuya ngokukhula. It's not like isithwalo ukuthi ive siphakame iqhumise yonke into yakho, cha, iyakhula, ikhula nawe, ifana nesithunya, ihamba nawe, and it depends on your dedication to it. Kanye futhi now kube nenzuza emhlophe. Now this one is special, guys, because inzuzo emhlophe, the difference ngayo, this is what people don't understand. The difference ngenzuzo emhlophe nenzuzo emnyama ukuthi inzuzo emhlophe ingamngena umuntu onganasipho abe nenzuza nje kuphela. Kubo there was somebody owaxhumana nale nyoka emanzini in their own ways, angisho ukuthi bathwala, in their own ways, for their own purposes. Wahlangana nalento and a covenant was made. Manje ekhaya kini there is a covenant between inzuza nawe, a natural white snake. Now mkhulu, if I have this, because ngake ngaphupha inyoka emhlophe ifika ihlanza imali phambi kwami, and I'm not even a healer. So what did that mean mkhulu? Inzuzo emhlophe iza nento eyodwa mkhulu. Inzuzo emhlophe iza nemali nje kuphela, iza nenhlanhla nje kuphela. Once ilungiswa, it even rivals isithwalo. Kuyobe ingathi uthwele if umuntu onenzuzo emhlophe, yalungiswa kuyobe ingathi uthwele. Amabhizinisi ayoqhuma wena once wabamba la kuyasebenza, once wabamba la kuyasebenza, ngoba lento kini ikhona. Kumele nje ukuthi ilungiswe, ukuthi ikhanyiswe. Noma even if you are a healer, ungaba nayo inzuzo emhlophe, kodwa yazi ukuthi if unenzuza emhlophe and you are a healer, yazi ukuthi angeke ube nalamandla that I've mentioned for umuntu onenzuzo emnyama. Kodwa likelihood wena uzokhona ukuhambe usebenza abantu, uzokhona hayi ukusebenza abantu, uzokhona ukuhamba, yebo uzokhona ukuhamba usebenza abantu, uphilisa abantu, kodwa angeke uphakamise abantu, angeke uthwalise abantu. You will be a normal healer, kodwa uzobe unenhlanhla yamabhizinisi, kube ingathi uthwele, kodwa bathi lo gogo lo uthwele, kodwa uthwele, wayilungisa inzuza yakho. Kanye futhi inzuzo emhlophe ikuyenza ukuthi ube umuntu ekumele uhlale uhlanzekile, uhlale ugezekile, because inhlanhla yakhona, it's as if umgomo lento le, mara inhlanhla yakhona isebenza nokuthi how clean you are. The moment ungcola noma uyenza izinto ezingcolile, iyavala nayo. So it will look like uthwele, but awuthwelanga, unenzuzo. Ukuthi net nje once yakunika izinto wena wagijima wacala ukudla imali e-summit, e-diplomat, nilala nawo wonke ama-prostitute. Wena once waba nemali wathatha isithembu waba namadoda ayi-2 umfazi, phela yonke into. Uthi no, mina ngangenwa inyoka ey'ndoda, kumele manje ngihambe ngishada amadoda ayi-8. Yekela gogo, ayikho leyo nto, ayikho leyo nto. Now mkhulu, okay, you've mentioned ukuthi iy'nzuzo zoyi-2 zihluke ngani. Now okusitshele mkhulu, how do we siyilungise inzuzo yethu? Now kuba ney'nkulumo zokuthi kunokuba nenkulumo yokuthi kunegobongo lenzuza. Amanga leyo nto, amanga leyo nto leyo. Mina mhlazane kumele ngilungise eyami inzuza, yasifikela. Ifika izibopha around ikhalabashi, izibopha around ukhamba lakhona lunemithi egreen, yathi naku ukudla kwami. Ngavuka ngakhuleka ngathi Nkosi yami ngenze njani, ngaphahla. Ngathola abantu abanye abanayo lento le, bona bathi lento oyibonile iqiniso. Inzuza iphakanyiswa ngemithi yasemanzini, kusuke kuyonke imithi yakhona iphuma emanzini, bese ukhandela ukhamba lakhona ozolidla. Akusigobongo lento, uzoyidla lento le, uzoyidla until lona ikutshele ukuthi cha sengiqedile. Uma seyiqedile yona isiyokunika-ke ama-steps alandelayo, noma uyabuya kumkhulu uthi hey mkhulu, ngisadla le mithi kwathi ukuthi nokuthi ngitshele ukuthi okay lento seyifuna ukuthi senzeka so manje. Ngiyakugaranta ukuthi angeke uphinde ungabi nayo imali. Angisho ukuthi uyoceba unomphela ube yibhiliyoneri, ube yimiliyoneri, kodwa imali angeke uphinde ungabi nayo. Imali iyazifikela kuwe, yiyo lento le. Isiyaphakama, isiyasebenza, and ngokuphakama kwayo, ngamandla alokhu aphakama, nayo imali iyaphakama, kanye namandla wokuthi uphakamise abantu. Uma uthinta umuntu, khona usisi engamsebenza e-Cape Town, ngamsebenza lo sisi, ngamusa elwandle, India, usisi weNdiya, ngamsebenza lo sisi. Once ngimsebenzile lo sisi lo, ngamdedela, ngathi into yakho kumele ukuthi manje iphakame isebenze. Usisi, you'll never believe, wabuya within the next week, ngoba-ke wayewumuntu ozama ngazo zonke iy'ndlela, wathi eyi mkhulu, ngike ngathi ukujika ekhasini khona nje into efikile kimi, yathi ake ngivakashe laphaya ekhasini nami ngizame. Washaya i-8,000 emaslotini. The next 2 days wabuyela washaya i-4,000. The next 3 days wabuyela washaya i-7,000. Ngamtshela ngathi mana-ke, waze wanginika imali yokubonga, ngathi mana-ke ngiyabonga ngalo 2,000, kodwa ngicela ukuthi sisi ungayivuruzi lento, ungaloku uyisebenzisa ekhasini. Le mali oyitholile bona ukuthi manje wenza kanjani, angithi uyasebenza, so you have your income, kodwa sengikutshela ukuthi into mayilungiswa, once isilungile, you will swear the bad days never happened. Ngikhuluma into engike ngayenza, hhayi into engakaze ngiyenze. Angikhulumi ngitshela abantu ukuthi ayikho inzuza ini, ngikhuluma ngokusebenza umuntu onenzuza mina. It is not guesswork, yinto engafundiswa, ngasetshenzwa umuntu onayo naye, bese mina ngasebenza omunye umuntu. Ngitshela into ekhona, kuthatha le mithi uyadliswa, bese yona izokutshela ukuthi kumele ukuthi manje siyenze lokhu nalokhu. Uma ithi kumele kuyiwe elwandle, mina-ke sengizoseta nawe appointment, sihambe siye elwandle. Noma ngitshele ukuthi thatha lokhu nalokhu nalokhu, uhambe uye elwandle. That is the way yokulungisa inzuza. Uyafika kimi uthi mkhulu, ngicela, sengizwile nginenzuza, angazi noma imhlophe noma imnyama, ngicela ukuthi ungibhule ungi-check-ele, ngizoku-check-ela and angeke ngiqambele amanga, ngizokutshela mkhulu, gogo ayikho lento leyo, akunanzuza la. Enye imistake eyenzakalayo ukuthi abantu bazobona intlola yomngcebo yasemanzini noma umndawo, and then bazothi yinzuza le. Kuwukuthi wena kumele nje usetshenzwe emanzini, bathi inzuza le, akusinzuza le. Or ba-mistake-ne inzuza for umndawo, bakutshele ukuthi unomndawo, wena uhambe uyoyenza umndawo, wenze yonke lento leyo abayenzayo, ubuye isimo sakho sibe worse. Abanye benu nitshelwa ukuthi umuntu uyakhona ukusebenza inzuza, uhambe uye kumuntu athi uyakusebenza, wena manje uma ubuya ekhaya seziyaduma, yonke into ihamba kahle, kodwa uloku uphupha inyoka emnyama kanti uthwalisiwe. Lo muntu ukuthwalise ngenyoka, bekangakulungisa inzuza, wayekuthwalisa ngenyoka emnyama noma emhlophe. Usuthwele manje, usitshela ukuthi ngalungisa inzuzo, izinto zaphuma, manje sekuyafiwa, cha, wanikezwa inyoka mkhulu. So you need somebody who's going to do the correct thing. That's why I am giving you the formula ukuthi iqala ngokuhamba lomuthi wasemanzini. Umuthi wayo lento ekumele ukuthi iwuhle ukuthi iqale iphakame. Uzobona ngamaphupho, mina ngizokutshela lokhu engikwaziyo. Uzobona ngamaphupho mkhulu, uzobona ngamaphupho. Ithi singageqa amagula, leyo yinzuza bakwethu. If you suspect that, come to me ungitshele ukuthi I've seen that video mkhulu. Thank you for giving us guidance. Ngicela ungitshele ukuthi ngenze kanjani manje. What do I do? Ngifuna ukulungisa inzuza yami, then mina ngizokutshela ukuthi cha gogo, ngicela ukuthi wenze kanje, and once wenze kanje siyaqala siyasebenza. Ngizokuthumela lento noma ufike uyilande, then siyaqala siyasebenza. Makhosi, inkosazana, nkosi yami, inkosazana. How many people have claimed ukuthi banenkosazana mkhulu? Nami nginenkosazana mkhulu, bathi nginenkosazana mkhulu. Hey, sonke sinama mermaid, sonke sinabo Ariel. Awukhonakali, akukhonakali, angeke sonke sibe nama mermaid bakwethu, because there are certain ways that this thing ifikayo ekhaya kini. There are certain people ekhaya kini that belong to marine cults. Ugogo wakho wangeniswa under a marine cult. Njengoba uphupha abantu basemanzini, njengoba uphupha phecelezi beings that we call the Nemo. Ngizokhipha igama ngoba vele the Nemo. Ucabanga ukuthi inkosazana. Cha. Your family belonged to the marine cult. Ungadideki mkhulu umqondo. Your family belongs to the marine cults. Uthi uphupha umuntu ofana nefish. Wena uthi unenkosazana. Cha, unankosazana. Uthi unenkosana yasemanzini, unenkosi yasemanzini. Cha, unankosi yasemanzini. Futhi lezo angeke zingene. Ungazi kumuntu bakutshela ukuthi kumele uyolungisa inkosi yasemanzini, uzolimala. Abanye benu uthole ukuthi umuntu wahamba wayothatha isithwalo esenkosazana. Walanda isithwalo senkosazana. Because uyakhona ukuthwaliseka ngezinye inkosazana emanzini. Ikhona lento kini wena uphupha yona, kodwa in this case sikhuluma ngomuntu emngene esidalwa, because kubo there was somebody who interacted with these beings, and after they interacted with these beings they had an affinity with their family, so they blessed them. Sometimes things go like that. You meet a sprite and a sprite likes you emanzini. Uthi uya kulo mnikazi kanti kunenkosazana lapha. Ikuthande le ntokazi laphaya. Ithi ngiyamthanda lo mfana. Inhliziyo yakhe yakhanya. His aura ayithusi. Ifike ngokomoya iqabule. Mayiqabula kuvuleke yonke into yakho. Just from inkosazana ekuthinte. And now I have a child after that. And inkosazana knows ukuthi no, there is a bloodline from him that continues. Ithi ngiye to his child. Because I have a loyalty to him. Ngamthanda futhi azange angikhohlwe. Wabuya kimi wazokhanyisa wabonga, and we built a relationship around it. That's how you operate as a spiritual conduit. You build relationships with mountain spirits. You build relationships with water spirits. Just like in society, you build networks. Manje umuntu uzomtshela ukuthi you build relationship with spirits, build relationship with amadlozi. Angiyiboni lento le. It's because your spiritual eye is closed. Go buy some shilajit. So, inkosazana uma unayo, it comes with an attractive aura bakwethu. The truth is, for abantu abanenkosazana, you just have an attractive aura. Abantu bazofuna ukuziphosa kuwe, not sexually, but they'll want to get close to you. Abanye, they'll even envy you. They don't know what it is they envy about you because awunalutho. Kodwa mabakubuka, there's just something about you that they would give up themselves to be you. Bangazi why. There is an attractive energy about you. Uma unenkosazana bakwethu, inkosazana iza nenhlanhla, hayi inhlanhla yesithwalo, iza nenhlanhla, and it comes with fame as well. Ungaba usowaziwayo uma uwumuntu onenkosazana. You could become famous and end up on TV, end up in movies, become a renowned person, a known person. It comes with fame, bese ibuye, and it comes with that attractive aura. Anyone can have inkosazana. Not everyone can have inkosazana. Anyone can have inkosazana. It's not predominantly only healers. Ngoba nayo mayifika inkosazana, it doesn't come with a gift eyokuthi lapha abantu. I have heard at times ukuthi inkosazana ingena abanye abantu that allows them to initiate people into the marine cult. Ngizwa bathi, lokho I can't confirm it because I'm not in the marine cult. So, engantshela kona ukuthi inkosazana ungayithwalela. Unganayo. Uye kumuntu othwali who is in a marine cult ozokuthwalisa ngenkosazana, akunikeze lento leyo, hamba uyophila ngayo. Ibe unkosikazi wakho, ibe unkosikazi wakho igqilaze futhi ithanda amadoda kakhulu. It likes men. Inkosazana ungayithola na ungayithatha as umfazi, kodwa kakhulukazi mawungasithola uyindoda uthi uyothwala ngenkosazana, uzothola ukuthi it becomes like a jealous wife, and iyabulala uma inesikhwele, iyabulala inkosazana. So if you have inkosazana naturally, what do you do? Mkhulu, abantu sebaxakekile kakhulu, baphupha inkosazana, impilo yabo ivalekile, kodwa inhlanhla yabo ihleli nalo muntu wesimame, with this beautiful female creation of the water. And yazi-ke ukuthi inkosazana comes in different kinds, and so we need to diagnose it. Kodwa first kumele siyidonse kuwe ukuze yona ikhona ukukhuluma emaphuphweni, because unlike inzuza, inkosazana is very secretive, ifuna ukuncengwa. You don't have isithunywa sakho ukuthi ukhuleke isithunywa sakho njengenzuza, ukuthi isithunywa sakho must become a liaison between wena nenzuza. If inzuza yakho usuyonile. Kodwa in the case of inkosazana, it could just be you and usomfish wako. So what you will need to get for me, I'll put up a picture here or here on the side. What you need to get for me is a starfish. A starfish, 1 or 2 starfish, okay? And then you will need to get a shell. Kodwa lama shell abi ngathi bhola. I'll also put up a picture here on the side. But these shells that look like a ball, and then kahle ebungomeni intlola yomdawo. Nina eningi izangoma intlola yomdawo niyayazi. But I'll put up the picture here on the side. Uzongitholela 2 starfish or 1 starfish efile ungazi isasemanzini. And then you'll get me a shell. You get the shell, and then you will get 100 to 200 rand of silver coins. Washintshe mkhulu uze nawo njalo. 100 to 200 rand of silver coins. Ufike nawo. Once usufike nawo, uzodinga ukuthi ugqoke konke kube mhlophe mkhulu. Uyogqoka konke okumhlophe. And once you've done that, either uzongitshela ukuthi mkhulu ngidinga ukulungisa inkosazana, please give me the ritual and nalento nale mithi mangifika lapha ekuzomela ukuthi ngiyiphose, ngigeze ngayo, ngiyiphose nasemanzini, ngiyifake emanzini when I'm putting the starfish and the shell lapha ngaphakathi, ukuze mangiphuma mangiqeda ukuyenza lento, mangingena and retrieve them, ibiyenzakalile lento, then ubuyela nayo ekhaya ukuze ixhumane nawe. You will need to be wearing pure white. Duke elimhlophe, umnazaretha omhlophe, if ugqoka umnazaretha. If unganazi inguba zomoya, then uzogqoka ibhruku elimhlophe, ama-overall amhlophe, whatever, kodwa you must be in pure white. and then uyaza kimi usho ukuthi mkhulu, I need to go do the ritual for inkosazana because bangitshela ukuthi inhlanhla yami, udumo lwami luhleli nenkosazana, ngifuna ukuyolanda, ngifuna ukuxhumana nayo so that ngiqale ngikhule nalento yami. That is what you will need to do. Mina, if I've given you these ingredients, then when I give you the ritual, you will know what you have to do next. If I've missed anything, if you have any comments or any questions, go below and type mkhulu. Kodwa ungatype umbhedo, ama-comment azonyamalala. Ungafiki la uzobheda la kulama comment section. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If not you, somebody else might need this video, guys. Again, we are offering free consultations. Reach out to us, comment free consultation, or reach out to us on 061-178-1304, and we will book you in if you are selected. Umkhulu Seyida lo, igedla lamashkrishkri, inyanga yamakhosi. Ngithi ngithanda ngothando kaMveli Ncane. Ngiyasithoba phambi emakhosini.